Oh my, it's time to assemble some Soma Cube. And this is the way we're going to do it. We are going to take this set of parts in our part studio and we're going to go to the assembly. We're going to go to insert and we're going to go to current document. Now we can put each block in there individually, but we're going to put the whole part studio in there, which is one of the benefits of drawing a part studio together like that. And once it's in here, I'm actually going to, oops. There we go. Check. All right. I'm going to click on, make sure I'm not clicking on any blocks. I hit escape. And I'm going to click on this block right here and I'm going to right click on it and I am going to go to fix, which means this block can't move around. All the other blocks can move around, but that one can't. I'm going to click on this block and I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees, 180. I'm going to go over here to fasten mate, which is the tool I want to use. And I want to fasten that little corner right there to that little corner point right there. And that didn't go as I had intended, so that's going to happen too. It should have been this little point right here with this point right here. And notice how the X, Y, and Z are matching. That's very important, like with the circles of them. All right, so that's one. This block's going to go in here. So I want to rotate it up 90. And then I want to rotate it this way 90. So now the piece is oriented correctly. I'm going to go here. And this one's easy. I can click the middle of this block, spin it in here, and click the middle of that block. And that is solved. This piece, and there's more than one ways to put the Soma Cube together, but this piece I'm going to put over here. I want to first click on it. I find it is extremely beneficial if you get these oriented the way you want them. So I spun mine around to look like this because this is where it's going. And then I'm going to mate, and let's say right here, should be right here, but it's got to be, the circles have to be facing the same way. If I had done it where the circle's like this way instead of this way, it will not mate properly. Okay, so those are the easy ones. Both of these blocks do go in here, but I gotta orient them. I think we want this to go 90 and then this to go 180. So that's that block, and that's going to go over here. And then how do I want this to go? This way 90, and then this way 90 as well. And then this block will go in here. And what that's going to look like is I'm going to take this block and take this point, go into that point, check. And I'm going to take this point right here, and I'm going to go into this point right here. And my final block, this one right here, it's got to do just a, looks like just a 90. So rotate it 90. It looks like it's oriented perfectly correctly. And I'm going to insert this block, this point. Ooh, come on, I can do it. We can do it. There we go. This point to that point. All right. And now I have a fully assembled Soma Cube, and it's fixed so it won't move around. That is terrific. So that is how we assemble the Soma Cube.